Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 Ford Ranger, stock number 5960. This ran from 06-2015 to 04-2022. Has a P5AT 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen satnav stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.